Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to fix Jeep Wrangler door leak step by step. Start by identifying the leak source. Inspect door seals, drain tubes, hinges, and window alignment to find where water enters. Next, clean and dry areas, then replace or reseat worn seals and clear clogged drain tubes using appropriate tools. Finally, test with a hose and adjust alignment if needed to confirm repair and prevent future. Gather the right tools before starting to save time and avoid damage. You will need a trim tool, silicone sealant, replacement door seals, a flashlight, compressed air, and basic sockets. Keep a clean rag, rubbing alcohol for prep, and patience for reseating seals and testing that your repairs hold up against water exposure. Work on a dry day or in a garage and have towels ready to catch residual moisture during testing. Begin by removing the door panel to access seals and drain channels safely. Inspect inner door foam, the water diverter, and window channel for gaps or damage and document findings. Apply silicone sealant sparingly to small gaps, replace crack seals, and clear drain tubes with compressed air or a flexible wire. Reassemble panels, then test with controlled hose spray and watch for leaks to ensure the repair worked. Take photos during disassembly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.